What is up, guys? Back with another video here. Today I am going to show you how to take a pair of Carhartt pants and tin them. It's an oil finish. If you look online for tin pants, they're about 200 bucks for a pair of them. What I use them for is cutting firewood. Here's a pair that I did probably, I don't know, 3-4 years ago. It's just a pair of regular Carhartt pants. And what it does, it like waterproofs them and gives them this rough surface. Definitely hot in the summertime, but they hold up pretty well. If you wear Carhartt pants like this, you know if you're out cutting firewood and you get wet and stuff, it sucks. So when you tin them like this, they become waterproof. So definitely good for wintertime, cutting firewood, doing stuff like that. They're not breathable, so they will get hot. So, you know, I do wear them a lot in the wintertime. I don't wash them. You just hose them off if they get muddy, and that's that. So the way we do this is we use beeswax and linseed oil, equal parts. I think I actually put a little bit of diesel fuel in this, if I'm not mistaken. There's lots of recipes online if you look. Basically, you just I had made this years ago, and when I did those other pants, it's just been laying around. I figured I'd show you the process. Just an old paintbrush here. Kind of got to let that all melt down. Get it nice and warm. Once it gets melted, what we're going to do is take that brush and this heat gun, and pretty much just brush it on and use the heat gun, and it'll suck it into this material, and like I said, it'll give you a tinned or oiled finish pants. I love them. I mean, I wear them all the time outside when I'm doing stuff. So yeah, so once that stuff melts down, I'll get back with you and show you the process. Okay, boys, I got her pretty much melted down. Let's see how this goes here. It's been a while since I did this, so we'll see. Just kind of, yeah. You work that in. Ooh, nice. You got to keep this oil hot. I might actually have to take it back out and you want to put it on nice and heavy, and I'll show you when you actually use the heat gun there what it does to it. Honestly, seems like a crazy idea until you actually do this and wear these things. You'll see what I'm talking about. Obviously, this isn't really something you know, wear to your work job, or I don't know, it depends what you do, I guess, but if you're working outside in the woods and stuff like that, make yourself a pair of these pants. You won't be sorry. Or you can buy them, I mean, 200 bucks. $200 will get you a pair. Okay, let's get this heat gun going. Doesn't help that it's freezing cold in the garage. See how it sucks in? Okay, guys, gave you a little time-lapse video of that. They're looking pretty good. I'm going to let them sit for a while and see what happens with them. I think they don't look too bad. Might need to hit a little couple spots again. I want to let them sit up a little bit. You know, they'll be pretty stiff here once they dry up, and then as you wear them, you know, they start to loosen up like these ones did. But yeah, that's all there is to it. Honestly, if you like to cut firewood and stuff like that, I would actually recommend doing this to a pair of these. You won't regret it. But like I said, I'm going to let these dry up and see what happens there, and I'll maybe demonstrate these on another video. Until then, we going.